Hey Sud Squad, Joanna here, the soap gal. So you want a wholesale, huh? In this video today, we are going to talk about wholesaling. The first thing you need to know is you're gonna need to know your mission and your vision. What is your brand? What is your brand about? You're gonna need to understand who you are and who you're selling to. That's the first step. Then, after you know what your brand's about, you are going to then have to figure out what are the products you want to wholesale. You don't have to wholesale every single product you make. You can keep some of those products special for your personal brand and for your personal, community that loves what you do. But you do need to decide what are those products you are willing to wholesale. Then you're gonna need to know your numbers. What are you going to retail this product for versus what are you going to wholesale that product for? You're gonna need to know your Keystone. Once you know your prices, then you're going to have to figure out what is your case pack. How many units is that in each case? And what does a case include? Does the case include 6 bars of soap? 12 bars of soap? Does it include 3 bars of soap and 3 lotion sticks and 10 lip balms? Whatever combination you want, you're able to do it. It's your business. So figure out what your case pack is. Once you know your numbers, what your case pack is, then you're gonna have to ask yourself some questions. Do you offer terms? What are the terms you're willing to offer? And to who? The other question you're gonna need to ask yourself is, what is your minimum order? A minimum order is that you have to purchase this amount of cases of these different types of soap or this type of product, or it could just be a dollar amount. So once a customer gets to $100, then you're willing to sell to them. It can be by the case, or it can be by the amount, or it could be a mixture of both. Another thing you need to have ready is you need to have your line sheet ready. A line sheet is a document that says that this is the product, this is the SKU, this is what it is, this is how many units that has, here's the retail price, here's the case price, here's the wholesale price. So kind of have this document in place, which I think I have an old document that I had with Vintage Suds Soapery on my Facebook page that you can download and use as an example. You also need to have a catalog ready. So that basically is your mission, your vision, and what you sell, what makes you special. So you have that available for them to be able to grab and to know, or for you to be able to send to a potential wholesaler for them to learn who you are and what your brand is about. A few more things you might want to consider about wholesaling is these questions. They're gonna ask you if you offer free fills. What are free fills? Free fills are purchase orders that you do not charge them for because they decided to carry your product in their store. You have marketing materials like displays or brochures, or how do you want them to be able to sell your product to their customers? So when you walk into a box store and at the end you see an end cap, that would be like point of sale marketing material for that brand. Do you offer that? Do you charge for that? The number one question that I would say that you get over and over again when you are at market, which is a trade show that you set up a booth to meet wholesalers, is do you offer free shipping? And that right there can be a loaded question because you don't know how large their order is going to be and how expensive that order is going to be. So if you do decide to offer free shipping, put that in your wholesale rate. Make sure that you are having some money in that wholesale price that would cover the cost of free shipping. When they're doing large orders, that means you have boxes, you have labor, you have pallets, you have shrink wrap. There's a lot to it to be able to offer free shipping and freight for large volume orders. I hope that gives you something to chew on and a guideline of what you need to prepare for to be able to bring your business to the next level, to be able to wholesale. I am so happy that you're here. I am so excited to be able to share my knowledge with each and every one of you. And if you have any other questions, I'm an open book. Thank you for watching so much. And remember, lather, rinse, profit, repeat. See you soon.